Welcome to the Mangalorean bun recipe. Let's start by creating a creamy base with these ripe, sweet bananas. Combine the goodness of flour, sugar, cardamom, salt, baking soda, and yogurt into that banana mash. Transfer the sticky dough to a floured surface and give it some TLC through gentle kneading. Let it rest for a couple of hours. This break is key for flavor development. Portion out the dough, flatten it, and into the sizzling oil it goes. Watch it puff up and turn golden brown. Remember, fry these beauties in batches for that perfect golden crispness. Once fried to perfection, let them rest on a paper towel to say goodbye to any extra oil. And there you have it, crispy golden Mangalorean buns. Enjoy these delightful snacks while they're warm, best paired with your favorite cup of tea or coffee. Thanks for joining us in the kitchen today. Remember these tips for your own batch of Mangalorean buns and get creative with your dipping sauces.